In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious, my dear students of grade 8, peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you. Today we are going to discuss Unit 12, Explore and Present. This is the first question to you. Try to think about this question and find a suitable answer. What does an astronomer study? What does an astronomer study? Now, define the word astronomy. Define the word astronomy. What does this word mean? Excellent. Astronomy is defined as the study of stars, planets, and space. Astronomy has focused on observations of what appears in the sky. Now, let's study together the new vocabulary. With the first word, in the past, people noticed patterns in the sky and tried to organize them. Notice. Notice. What does this word mean? Notice means, is excellent. It means to see or become conscious of something or someone. To see or become conscious of something or someone. Now let's turn to the second word. Students study about the universe. Universe. The solar system and galaxies. What does the word universe mean? Excellent. The word universe means everything that exists, especially all physical matter, including all the stars, planets, galaxies in space. Now let's turn to the next word. The life of stars and galaxies is millions to billions of years, so astronomers are unable to observe a system entirely from birth to death. Entirely? What does the word entirely mean? Yes, excellent. It means completely. Completely. Let's turn to the next word. It is so easy to study astronomy nowadays because people have advanced technology to see distant things. Advanced. Advanced means, yes, excellent, modern, and well developed. Now, with another word, astronomers study the stars and planets and predict their motion. Yes, what does the word motion mean? Excellent. It means movement. Now, with another word, the movement of the stars and planets is studied widespread in many countries. Widespread? What does this word widespread mean? Excellent and thank you. It means existing or happening in many places or among many people. Now, with the last word, most astronomy today is done by using remote telescopes on the ground or in space that are controlled by computers. Remote. What does this word remote mean? Excellent. It means far away in distance or time or not closely related. Let's quickly revise this new vocabulary. Universe, and it's a noun. Entirely, entirely, adverb. Advanced, and it's an adjective. Notice, it's a verb. Motion, it's a noun. Widespread, widespread, and also it's an adjective. Remote, also an adjective. Now, in our students' book, page 88, let's start studying. And before reading, try to think about him. What is he doing? Where is he? What is he using? And so on. Also, before reading, look at these pictures and guess what the text is about. We have the first picture, the sun and planets, and with the second picture, a huge telescope. Also in the third picture, an astronomer using his telescope. Now, Muhammad is a student in grade 8. His teacher asked him to prepare a project and a PowerPoint presentation about astronomy. Here is what he found on the internet about astronomy. Have your time reading the text. Now, let's read the text together. Mankind has long looked to the sky, trying to understand the universe. Astronomy is defined as the study of stars, planets, and space. Historically, astronomy has focused on observations of what appears in the sky. Unlike most other fields of science, astronomers are unable to observe a system entirely from birth to death. The life of stars and galaxies is millions to billions of years. In the past, it was very difficult to study astronomy because people didn't have advanced technology or the necessary equipment to see distant things. Inventing the telescope helped us discover our universe. Inventing the telescope helped us discover our universe, solar system, and galaxies. Early astronomers noticed patterns in the sky. They tried to organize them in order to follow the stars and planets and predict their motion. The movement of the stars and planets was studied by people around the world, but was widespread in China, Egypt, Greece, Central America, and India. Most astronomy today is done by using remote telescopes on the ground or in space. They are controlled by computers with astronomers somewhere far away studying data and images. Since the beginning of digital photography, astronomers have provided amazing pictures of space. Astronomers and space flight programs have also contributed to the study of our own planet. When missions traveled to the moon and beyond, they looked back and snapped great images of the Earth from space. After reading the text, try to answer these questions. This is the first question to you. Think about it and try to find a suitable answer. What did astronomy focus on in the beginning? Yes, excellent. Historically, astronomy has focused on observations of what appears in the sky. Let's turn to the second question. How can satellites help us to study our planet? Yes, excellent. Satellites can snap great images of the Earth from space. Now, remember, the theme of the passage is the lesson, message, or moral of the passage that the writer wants the reader to learn or know. Now, with the third question, what is the theme of the passage? Yes, I think it's about astronomy in the past and nowadays. I think it's about astronomy in the past and nowadays. Now, with the last question, how can astronomy help us to protect the Earth? Yes, by watching the outer space around the Earth. By watching the outer space around the Earth. Consult the dictionary for the meanings of the underlined words entirely and remote. Also try to find answers for what is the purpose of the passage? What is the purpose of the passage? And also, what does the writer want to inform us? As a homework at your home, think about these questions and find suitable answers. Write them down in your notebook. Before leaving to the next lesson, try also to find a suitable answer for this question. What is the importance of studying astronomy? I think astronomy as the study of stars, planets, and space, and its historically astronomy also has focused on observations of what appears in the sky. Unlike most other fields of science, astronomers are unable to observe a system entirely from birth to death. The life of stars and galaxies is millions to billions of years. Also, since the beginning of digital photography, astronomers have provided amazing pictures of space. Astronomers and space flight programs have also contributed to the study of our own planet. When missions traveled to the moon and beyond, they looked back and snapped great images of the Earth from space. Thank you so much for following me and see you later, inshallah, with the next lesson.